Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Discover expense card by phone, follow these step-by-step instructions to get your card ready for use quickly and securely. Step 1. Locate the activation phone number on the sticker attached to your new Discover expense card. This number is typically prominently displayed. Step 2. Call the activation phone number from a phone you have access to. Make sure you're in a quiet location where you can clearly hear the automated system. Step 3. Follow the automated voice prompts and select your preferred language if prompted. The system will guide you through the activation process. Step 4. Enter your 16-digit card number when requested using your phone's keypad. Speak clearly if the system uses voice recognition. Step 5. Provide the requested verification information, such as the last 4 digits of your social security number or your date of birth. Step 6. Create a personal identification number, PIN, for your card when prompted. Choose a PIN that is secure but easy for you to remember. Step 7. Listen carefully to any important information about your card benefits, fees, or terms that may be provided during the call. Step 8. Wait for confirmation that your card has been successfully activated. The automated system will typically provide a confirmation message, or you may receive a confirmation email shortly after. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.